A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to the online IIT physics class. Today we are going to discuss about our synopsis 3 useful applications of thermal expansion of solids. This topic is related to useful applications of thermal expansion. We know bullock carts. They are found in villages. We know bullock carts have wooden wheels like this. These wheels are fitted with iron rims. These rims increases lives of wheel. These iron rims heated in dry dung cakes fire. Due to the rising temperature, it will expands. The iron rim will expands. After that, it will placed on wooden wheel. This process is called shrinking on. After the fixing of rim, they can cool by pouring water over it. So, after the cooling effect, the rim will contracts. They both together fix very firmly.
Bullock carts, iron rings are fitted on to the wooden wheels. The radius of the iron ring is taken slightly less than that of the wooden wheel. The iron ring is heated. On heating, it expands and its radius increases, enabling it to fit onto the wooden wheel. Later on, the iron ring cools and shrinks to its original size, clamping itself firmly to the wooden wheel as shown here.
By combining the two metal plates, we can use rivets. Here we have to make a hole by combining these two plates. In this hole, we can put a red rivet. Red rivet means heated rivet. After the hammering effect, top and bottom, it will fixes very firmly. After the cooling effect, the rivet will contracts. To remove stuck cap from a bottle by pouring hot water on the neck of the bottle. When hot water is pouring on the cap, it will expand. As a result, it can be removed easily. These are the some advantages of thermal expansion. Bimetallic strip. This strip is made up of two different metal plates. One is invar, another is brass. Working principle. At the room temperature, they are in a straight position. When the strip is heated, brass will expand more as compared to invar. This unequal expansions, the strip will bend. The brass takes outer edge of the bend and invar takes inner edge of the bend. On cooling, bimetallic strip will contract. This mechanism is very useful in thermostats, means iron boxes and fire alarms. This iron box works on bimetallic strip principle. This strip will bend by the heating effect and straighten by cools down. By this principle, it will automatically on and off. We can use this bimetallic strip in some heat detecting fire alarms. This strip will works like a temperature sensor. This strip will close and open the fire alarm circuit. This strip made up of two metals. One is outer edge, invar, and inner edge material is copper. When the strip is affected by the heat, it will bend at contact point. So alarm will ring. When the metal strip is cools down, alarm will off. Disadvantages of thermal expansion. A long railway tracks consist of many sections of lines. A small gap is left in between two rail joints. Otherwise, during summer time, these lines will expand. It causes derailment.
The sagging wire. The apparatus consists of a metal wire hung between two stands. Curtain ring is made to pass through the wire. When the wire is heated, we find that the ring begins to sag in the wire, indicating the increase in the length of the wire.
Thermal expansion on telephone and electric lines. This sagging is also one of the disadvantages of thermal expansion. Telephone and electric wires will expanded by thermal effect and tightened by cooling.
Why the one end of girder is fixed and other end is not fixed in the pillar. Why? Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. I just want to ask you something.
Please ask.
Why only one end of the girder is fixed? The other is not fixed and kept on the roller.
It's very simple. This is because when a substance is cooled it contracts. And when a substance is heated it expands. In the summer there can be expansion in the girder. And during winter girder can contract in size. So in case of any rise or fall in temperature, girder can freely expand or contract without affecting the pillars. Hence one end of girder is fixed in pillars and other end is kept on the rollers.
When hot liquid is poured into a thick glass tumbler, the inner side is heated while the outer side will remains at room temperature. So by the inner side expansion, glass tumbler will cracks. These are all disadvantages of thermal expansions. Okay, my dear students, hope you understand. In page number 39, practice sheet 1 as your homework. If you have any doubts, please contact my number. Thank you.